po, nila, dinasay na nila. Kasi, wala. Kaya tumutunton dito lang minida.
Wala nila, oh!
Sa kanan nga, airport. Thank you sa nagagtubod. Birthday siya ako.
Bye-bye!
Ay, ang batch 98 po di ay, lapod nga batch sa Pablo na help nila. Kaya po, thank you. Ay, sa ilapapit, sa kiyas na po. Thank you, Kalichikin, sa sponsor.
Ay, mga sponsor, big sponsor.
Kay Mamilaw, thank you po sa Letron.
Wala naman gibrit.
Nanay sa pag-tuloy sa tao. Ano lang isa nila? Kaya lang, thank you.
Ay, shot mo, shot. Asoy, shot. Ikaira, shot. Hey!
Okay, thank you so much. So that is the message. A very gikan dito sa kaibuturan ng puso ng ating debutant. Okay, this time. Okay, we prepared a very light but not so strong cocktail drinks to everyone. And let us celebrate the 18th birthday of Carla by having a toast. In a 1, 2, 3, and let us say happy 18th birthday, Carla! Okay, bottoms up, and you can now drink. Okay, and that's conclude our program tonight. Thank you once again, everyone. And we still have a party. So thank you once again, everybody, and hope you enjoyed tonight's program. Thank you.